Good morning, guys.
Mr. Scotty, what are we up to this morning here at Tim's?
We are getting all the 15,000 million pounds of Permatex gasket goo junk, which is absolutely everywhere.
Now, we had all the bolt-on parts. We had them all at our shop.
Yeah.
We brought them back after Scotty and Bernsey and I all took turns meticulously scrubbing.
They came. I'm really
they're
happy
bitching
with what we did. I really am.
Really good. The chrome valve covers look bitchin'. You straightened those too because they were all wavy and funky.
Oh yeah, they were really nasty.
You went to town. That's his old balancer. We can toss that because we have his new one.
And
And
I've been dying to do this.
that thing's fucking heavy. Don't lift that.
I'm not doing that. Not by myself.
No. The other night when we were unloading the race cart one in the morning, one of these cast iron manifolds was on the floor. Xander just picked it straight up, and I was like, "That thing weighs the same as you do, dude."
Yeah. I mean, I'm a little guy and I know it.
Yeah.
But Xander's littler than me, so that's actually kind of impressive.
Yeah, I was like, He's like, "We just gotta get this out of the way." He was at the point of he was fed up too. It was funny.
Yeah. There we go.
Look at that. Oh yeah, we never peeled the mask.
Nope.
Do you ever take off your mask?
I don't wear one.
I use Zorro.
Yep. And for an 80s movie, let's see if you guys can get it. I'm the Gay Blade. Zorro the Gay Blade. It was done in the 80s. It was a movie.
No clue.
Stupid funny.
Scotty, I was born in '84. I don't remember what I did yesterday. So.
I know. But
It's been a week. Anyway, so I've been scraping in here. We both have getting our water pump mating surfaces clean and our timing cover mating surfaces clean.
Yep.
I'm gonna do the timing set next. Scotty, to the bat phone. Oh wait, that's the wrong theme. Anyway,
the Death Star to the rescue.
something. All right, so we'll have an update here in a minute. Yes, Scotty?
Yes, sir, we will.